Moringa seeds, also known as drumstick seeds, are a powerhouse of nutrients that have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. These small seeds are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that offer a wide range of health benefits. One of the most well-known benefits of moringa seeds is their ability to boost the immune system. They are rich in vitamin C, which helps to strengthen the immune system and protect the body against infections and diseases. Moringa seeds also contain high levels of antioxidants, which help to reduce inflammation and fight off free radicals that can damage cells and lead to chronic diseases. In addition to boosting the immune system, moringa seeds are also known for their anti-inflammatory properties. They can help to reduce inflammation in the body, which can help to alleviate symptoms of conditions such as arthritis, asthma, and digestive disorders. Moringa seeds have been used in traditional medicine to treat a wide range of inflammatory conditions, and research has shown that they can be effective in reducing inflammation and pain. Moringa seeds are also a great source of protein, making them an excellent addition to a vegetarian or vegan diet. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source that can help to support muscle growth and repair. In addition to protein, moringa seeds are also rich in iron, calcium, and magnesium, which are essential minerals for overall health and well-being. Another benefit of moringa seeds is their ability to support heart health. They contain high levels of antioxidants, which can help to reduce cholesterol levels and protect the heart from damage. Moringa seeds have also been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, which can help to prevent diabetes and other cardiovascular diseases. Moringa seeds are also known for their ability to support brain health. They contain high levels of antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain function and cognitive health. Research has shown that moringa seeds can help to improve memory, focus, and overall brain function. In addition to their health benefits, moringa seeds are also a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of ways. They can be eaten raw, roasted, or ground into a powder and added to smoothies, salads, soups, and other dishes. Moringa seeds can also be used to make a nutritious and delicious tea that can be enjoyed hot or cold. Overall, moringa seeds are a powerful superfood that offers a wide range of health benefits. From boosting the immune system to supporting heart and brain health, these small seeds are a nutrient-dense powerhouse that can help to improve overall health and well-being. Whether eaten raw or added to dishes, moringa seeds are a versatile and delicious way to incorporate this superfood into your diet and reap the many benefits it has to offer.